Okay, my name is Seung-Hee Son, and I'm the chef and owner of a restaurant called Horapa in Seoul. And I graduated from the Cordon Bleu Dusit, the professional Thai cuisine, in 2016. And I'm really happy to share my experience and knowledge and journey from here. Almost all the food memories that I have got is from my mother. She cooked lots of exotic dishes like Vietnamese pho maybe 20 years ago with some prick nam blah, the fish sauce with some chili, and she used Korean fish sauce at the time with some Korean chili, but it's really good. And she always tried to make a beautiful cake for me when I was elementary school, and that kind of like a beautiful food memories from my mother. And I started to pursue my career as a cook, as a chef, from influence from her. And the reason why I choose the Cordon Bleu Dusit is because I want to cook Thai food, but it is located in the center of Bangkok. So learning Thai food in the Bangkok is the best option that I can get. And I also have a lucky chance to do the campus tour before I was a student here. And I was really surprised about the facility, and as well as the instructors are so passionate about sharing their knowledges and experience through the students, and that impressed me a lot. So it's really easy to choose here for my starting point. Because I'm Korean, everything is so new to me, and I want to know as much as I can do. And when I have a question, when I ask to my chef instructor, they always try to share their knowledges. That helps me a lot. And by the time I studied here, maybe 16-18 students are into the one classes, but except 5, including me, everyone is Thai. So I don't have any childhood memories about Thai food, but the rest of the the guys share their home cooking style and childhood style and the culture and their home cooked meal, and that kind of experience, that kind of knowledge helps me a lot to understand the culture of Thai food. Yeah, they are super professional. The one thing I remember is I was curious about the one ingredients. When I visit the Cordon Bleu market, I've never had it before, and I asked the chef A, and she tried to find it and let me taste it in a proper way, and that kind of interaction helps me a lot. And everything is so new to me, and the culture is so different from Korea. So I have lots of questions, and they always try to answer the question as best as they can do. Yeah, that helps me a lot. Sharing their knowledges, it was such a grateful. After graduating, there was 3 big files of the recipes and information about Thai food. So while I was staying there, I was trying to change it into a Korean words to understand easily, and try to understand the basics or the principle of Thai food, knowledges from Isan food and the Northern Thai food and Southern Thai food. So by the time I was studying there was some kind of homework, like a program or something, like the interviewing the chefs. So I was trying to send lots of emails to the restaurant at the time in Bangkok. After graduated, I was lucky enough to have a chance to intern at Nam, Bangkok, and also develop my skills at Long Chim restaurant by Chef David Thompson in Seoul. But all those kind of things are basis of the learning recipes from school. There is all the curry paste recipes and the stock sauces. Yeah, that kind of basic information helps me a lot. I still use it, and I still cooking my green curry taste recipe based on the school. Ingredients is different, but because the climate is different, but we will try to make it as close as possible. The best way to understand is to study the Thai food in Thailand, definitely. And the ingredients are, the sourcing the ingredients in the school are really the good qualities, and it's really good to understand the Thai food in a proper way. At the time, I really fascinated about the hang lei curry, the gang hang lei. I've never seen it considered that kind of dish as a Thai food. Before I came here, I just knew the tom yum soup and not many, so that dish can change my mind. My restaurant name is Horapa. As you know, is Thai basil, and we want to share our knowledges that we experience in Thailand to the Koreans, because it's still so new to Korean. So when people ask me about the name of the Horapa, we can introduce them to know about it's the Thai basil, to introduce the Thai ingredients and the culture. And one of the most highlight moments so far is definitely the Michelin guide. So we are lucky to selected as a Michelin Bib Gourmand 2024, Seoul and Busan. So that was the highlight. And we are located in Seoul, near the Gyeongbokgung area. There are lots of Thai people are coming to that area, like old palaces and old town. So please come and visit. We are always welcome you in Seoul.